Hi, my name's Ivor Guildford and I'm a senior technician here at Geobear. Safety is a key priority in everything we do here at Geobear. So we arrive on site, parking safely as a priority, and then we liaise with the customer and then discuss with them what's going to happen today, how we move forward to progress with their job. All the information for that job is held on a tablet that includes the RAMs and the procedure for the job. So using the RAMs, which is on the iPad, we then have a site briefing where all the team are aware of what's happening today on site, how we're proceeding, and then they then officially sign it off themselves before we proceed. So sometimes on site things change and we have to readjust the procedure or whatever, so we then get back together so everybody understands the changes and is aware of what's going on. So day to day, the general approach is services must be found and exposed for safe drilling. The standard on a residential job, we would scan for services ourselves and then they would be exposed by ourselves or another contractor. On site we have a minimum standard of PPE, safety boots, high-vis hearing protection equipment and suitable gloves that are job specific. All the team will be competent depending on what their job is. The technicians will be trained for drilling, tube extraction, with all the manual works that we have to deliver. Yeah. So as a senior technician, safety is a priority. Once we're on site, the main responsibility lies with the senior technician. So I'm constantly going around making sure the work area is clean, tidy, they're being careful with trailing leads, and procedures are being followed at all times. Once the job has been taken on, it then goes through our engineering department, who then do a specific design specifically for that job. There's lots of variations of polymers that we can use in order to do the job successfully, i.e. clay treatment or ground stabilisation. So engineering will plan that out, and then that's what I receive as my information going forward in order to do the job. So the project is planned in a sustainable way, so we can work around issues like trees, which generally have caused some of the issues with the building that we may be treating. This is an example of our approach to safety takes into account the people, the client, and the environment. We're using technology to collect data throughout the whole treatment process. The detailed engineering plan that we work to not only shows us where to treat, what depth to treat, and in what order. If we come across any issue on site, we stop immediately, regroup, reassess, fix the issue before we proceed any further. The importance to me and my team is that we can turn up, do the job safely, and all go home at the end of it. And with the procedures that are in place, it instills the confidence in me that we can do exactly that. We have a culture that makes it clear that any one of myself or any one of my team can stop that job for any issue at any time. I've been lucky enough to work on thousands of projects. Throughout that time, we have learned, refined, and improved to now have excellent methods.